Luma and Leejo are the two little birds lived in a tall oak tree. They loved exploring the world together. One afternoon, after enjoying some tiny fruits while perched on a branch, Leejo noticed something moving along the rough bark of the tree. It was a tiny ant named Tilli, carrying a millet pod much larger than herself. Tilly looked extremely tired as she slowly climbed higher and higher toward the birds. Luma hopped down closer to greet their visitor. "Hello there, Tilly," she chirped softly. "You look like you have been walking for a long time. Why don't you put that millet down and take a little break with us in the shade?" Tilly stopped and sighed, her tiny legs shaking from the weight of her work. Leejo leaned in to listen to her story. "I cannot stop," Tilly whispered. "There is always more work to do. I work from sunrise to sunset, and I never rest. I feel so heavy and sad." Luma looked at Tilly with kind, wise eyes. "Oh, Tilly," she said, "rest is just as important as work. When you rest, your mind becomes clear and your heart feels light again. You must value your own needs too. You are more than just a worker." Tilly looked out at the big, wide world beyond the oak tree. "I wish I could feel light," she said. "I spend all my time working. I want to see what you see." She looked up at Luma with hope. Could I have a ride?" Luma fluffed her feathers and lowered her wing like a tiny golden ramp. Leejo cheered as Tilly carefully climbed up. "Hold on tight to my soft feathers, Tilly," Luma said. She felt a tiny, ticklish sensation as the ant found a safe spot on her back. With a powerful flap of her wings, Luma took off into the sky. They soared high above the green meadow. Tilly gasped as she saw the flowers looking like colorful dots and the stream sparkling like silver. For the first time, she felt as free as the wind. When they returned to the oak tree, Luma gently let Tilly hop back onto a soft green leaf. Leejo was waiting for them with a happy chirp. Tilly wasn't shaking anymore. She looked bright, refreshed, and very happy. "I feel brand new," she exclaimed. Tilly decided to take the rest of the day off to watch the sunset with her new friends. Luma and Leejo snuggled close. They knew that sometimes the strongest thing you can do is give yourself permission to simply stop, breathe, and enjoy the beauty around you. Nowadays, some people work tirelessly, chasing their dreams without pause. Others immerse themselves in social media, constantly engaged in digital distractions. Both groups often neglect their physical and mental health, losing sight of the importance of balance. They forget to nurture relationships with their well-wishers and loved ones. Whatever your pursuit, be it work or leisure, take breaks at regular intervals. Step away from your tasks, from social media, and from the noise. Rejuvenate your body, refresh your mind, and rekindle your relationships. Some things in life, once damaged, cannot be restored, protect what truly matters.
Want to know more about Luma? Watch all the episodes available on this channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe.